Good morning, students. This session is on Mathematics Standard 10. Okay. In the last class, I have left something about the medians of the triangles and how they are proportional to the sides of the triangle. Students, whenever two triangles are given and these two triangles are similar, so two conditions come. One, the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. Here in this figure, A, B, C and P, Q, R are the two triangles and they are similar to each other. Okay. Triangle A, B, C similar to P, Q, R. This information is given. This is the primary information. Okay. So, angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. Okay. Also you can write AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. So these are the primary informations given because two triangles are similar. My question is whether the medians of the triangle, okay, whether the medians of the two triangle, this is median, this is one median and this is one median, are these medians are proportional to their sides? The question is yes. Okay. In case of two similar triangles, the medians are also proportional to their corresponding sides. And how will you prove this theorem? Okay. So let us start, students. What is median? See, M is the median to the side BC. Means M joins the midpoint. M is the midpoint of side BC. Okay. So if you draw a line from A to M, it will be median. Got it? And median will divide the segment into two equal parts. Okay. So the median M divides BC into two equal parts, that is BM and MC. So BM equal to MC. So BC can be written as 2 BM, student. Similarly, in this triangle, PN is the median, means P is connected with the midpoint of QR. Okay. So QN equal to NR. So QR can be written as twice of QN. Okay. So these are the primary information. Let us prove. Students, being the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So I have written AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Okay. So in case of BC, you can put 2 BM because BC is twice of BM. So I have written BC equal to 2 BM and QR equal to 2 QN. Okay. Now 2 cancels 2. This cancels this one. So we can write AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to BC by QR equal to BM by QN. Okay. Here you write BM by QN. Okay. So AP by PQ proportional to BM by QN. Got it? Now, students, let us compare these two triangles. Which triangles? Triangle ABM and triangle PQN. Okay. We have to make similar these two triangles. ABM means half of ABC and this is PQN means half of PQR. Okay. So you know very well AB by PQ equal to Bm by Qn, and that is written already proved. And another information is there, being the two triangles are similar, angle B equal to angle Q, because these are the corresponding angles. So taking this information means this is side, this is angle, and this is side. Here also this is side and this is angle and this is side. Okay. We can write these two triangles, triangles A, B, M and triangle P, Q, N are similar. So I have written here triangle ABM similar to PQN. Okay. So these two triangles, okay, these two triangles are similar. Once these two triangles are proved similar, okay, this side is left. Which one? AM. And here also PN is left. So we can write AB by PQ equal to BM by QN, and third side also AM by PN. Okay, so I have written here AM by PN. Because in case of two similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. Now putting this one, okay, AB by PQ equal to, it is already proved, AM by PN. So we can write AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR equal to AM by PN. Okay. So the sides of the two similar triangles are proportional to the medians of the triangle. Okay. These are the medians of the triangle. AM is the median of the first triangle and PN is the median of the second triangle. So this is the theorem related to sides of two similar triangles and medians of the triangle. And using this theorem, you can prove rest of the triangle, students. And here the similarity criterion used here, A, B, C, A, B, M similar to P, Q, N. This is side, angle, side. Okay. So the similarity criterion you can write side, angle, side, similarity criterion. Basing on this theorem, try to solve the problems related to medians. Okay. So if you face any problems, we will come back to you in the next class. Thank you.